Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Hi, friends. We are very happy you are here with us today.
Today's lesson is very practical, very useful.
Yes, today we will talk about how to order food in English.
A real restaurant conversation.
This is perfect for beginners, A1 to A2 level.
We will speak slowly, clearly.
You can repeat after us and practice speaking.
Imagine you are in a restaurant with us.
Yes, imagine you are sitting at the table, you have the menu in your hand.
If you enjoy learning English this way, please like the video.
And subscribe for more easy English practice.
Okay, let's go to the restaurant together.
David, we are at the restaurant now. I am hungry.
Me too. I am very hungry.
The waiter is coming. What do we say first?
First, we say hello.
Yes, always be polite. Say hello.
Then you can say, "Can I see the menu, please?"
Good. Repeat slowly. Can I see the menu, please?
The waiter gives us the menu. Now we look at it.
Sometimes the menu is big, many foods, many drinks.
Yes, and sometimes you do not understand everything. That is okay.
You can ask questions. That is normal. David, I don't understand this word on the menu. What can I say?
You can say, "What is this?"
Or, what is in this dish?
Very good.
Repeat. What is in this dish?
Now the waiter comes back. He asks, "Are you ready to order?"
If you are not ready, what do you say?
You say, "Not yet, please."
Or, I need a few more minutes. Repeat. I need a few more minutes.
Okay, now we are ready to order.
Yes, I know what I want.
The waiter asks, "What would you like?"
I say, I would like the chicken, please.
Very polite. Very simple.
Repeat. I would like the chicken, please.
I say, "I would like a burger and fries, please."
Yum, that sounds good.
Yes, I love burgers.
What about drinks? The waiter asks, what would you like to drink?
I say, "I would like a glass of water."
I say, I would like some orange juice. Repeat. I would like a glass of water.
Sometimes the waiter asks, "Anything else?"
If you want more food, you say, yes, I would also like a salad.
If you do not want more, you say, "No, that's all, thank you."
Repeat. No, that's all, thank you.
Now we wait for the food.
Waiting is the hard part.
Yes, we are hungry.
The food comes. The waiter says, here is your food.
We say, "Thank you." Always say thank you.
Always be polite.
Now imagine there is a problem.
Oh no, a problem?
Yes, maybe the food is cold.
What do you say?
You say, "Excuse me, my food is cold."
Very good. Repeat. Excuse me, my food is cold.
Or maybe this is not your food.
Yes, wrong food.
You say, "Excuse me, I did not order this."
Good sentence.
Now the food is good, we are happy, we finish eating.
I am full, very full.
Me too.
Now we want the bill. What do we say?
You say, "Can I have the bill, please?"
Repeat slowly. Can I have the bill, please?
The waiter brings the bill.
You look at it. Everything is correct.
You say, "Thank you."
And you pay.
Let's practice a full small conversation.
Yes, listen and repeat.
Hello, can I see the menu, please?
I would like the chicken and a glass of water, please.
No, that's all, thank you.
Can I have the bill, please? Friends, now think. What food do you like?
What drink do you like? I like pasta.
I like pasta.
I would like pizza, please.
I would like pasta, please. Talking in a restaurant is very common English.
Yes, you can use these sentences anywhere in the world.
Simple English, real English.
Let's repeat the most important phrases one more time, slowly.
Very slowly.
Can I see the menu, please?
What is in this dish?
I would like the chicken, please.
I would like a glass of water.
No, that's all, thank you.
Can I have the bill, please?
You can do this. You can order food in English.
Yes, you are ready.
Practice these sentences again and again.
And soon you will feel confident.
Tell us in the comments what is your favorite food.
And what do you like to drink? We would love to read your answers.
Thank you for practicing English with us today.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.